it's Jay, your energy industry guru. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Electric Power Industry Reform Act of 2001, otherwise known as the EPIRA. Before the EPIRA was made into law, the power industry was vertically integrated, wherein the generation and transmission sectors were centrally controlled and managed by the National Power Corporation, a government-owned and controlled corporation. NPC owned portfolios of power plants, while also owning and operating the transmission system. The distribution utilities at that time also have a vertically integrated function as the single retailer, distributor, and supplier of electricity to its customers. Tariffs was regulated by then Energy Regulatory Board, and cross-subsidies are still embedded in the rates. Further, all the cost of electricity service in the power industry are lumped in a single bill from the utility. During this period, the government have identified several issues in the power sector. First, projections shows that there is a growing demand for electricity with all the developments in the Philippines. And with a growing demand comes the need for new generating capacities and the expansion of the transmission and distribution networks, estimated at billions of dollars. Given its own fiscal constraints, the government recognized the need for greater private sector participation in the power sector. Second, it is essential to enhance the transparency of electricity rates and charges so that electric bills will become clear and informative, and customers will be able to see the rates of each service they are paying. Third, there is a need to bring down rates and improve the delivery of electricity to end users. This may be done by primarily encouraging greater competition and efficiency through the widening of ownership base, particularly in the generation sector. And lastly, customers should be able to have the power of choice, which enables energy democracy. As a result of these issues, the EPIRA was promulgated to restructure the electric power industry and was signed into law on June 8, 2001. Through the EPIRA, this is how the power sector mainly developed. The Energy Regulatory Board was abolished, and the Energy Regulatory Commission was created as an independent quasi-judicial body who will promote competition, ensure customer protection, and penalize abuse of the market. The Power Sector Assets and Liabilities Management Corporation was created to primarily assume NPC's liabilities and manage the privatization of most of its assets, including generation facilities. The Wholesale Electricity Spot Market, or WESM, was established to allow and embrace competition in the generation sector. Electricity rates and services was unbundled for greater transparency and accountability. And finally, the retail competition and open access was implemented to allow customers with a certain demand to choose their own supplier of electricity. So that is how the current power sector was established. It is without a doubt that the EPIRA made significant changes in the industry. And with the continuous improvements being done by the government and all of the industry stakeholders, we can hope for some exciting developments in the future. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Visit my page at Energy Intel PH.